Hello and welcome to the online series of learning IELTS with MS Education. I am Disha Patel and in today's lesson, we'll be learning about the first module of IELTS, that is the listening module. In the listening module, you will be listening to the audio and then answering the questions accordingly. So now, let us begin with the basics of the IELTS listening module.
Good afternoon. Myself from MS Education Consultancy. So, here we are to give presentation regarding the two modules of IELTS, that is listening and reading. So, let's start with the former module, that is listening. Now, I will tell some basic criteria about the listening module. The listening module lasts till 30 to 40 minutes. In that, there are 40 questions which are distributed between 4 sections. When the listening audio will be played, the test instruction will be given itself. The two most important things are, first, the answer should be written with pencil and the answer should be written in capital letters. Here is a rough format where 4 modules of recording will be played. You will listen to 4 modules of recording of native English speakers and then you will write your answers to a series of questions. Recording 1. A conversation between two people set in an everyday social context. Recording 2. A monologue set in an everyday social context. For example, a speech about local facilities. Recording 3. A conversation between up to 4 people set in an educational or a training context. For example, a university tutor and a student discussing about an assignment. Recording 4. A monologue on an academic subject. Example, a university lecture. Further, there are mainly 6 types of questions which comes in this module. The first is multiple choice. Second is matching. The third type is plan, map, diagram. The fourth type is form, note, table, flowchart, summary completion. The fifth one is sentence completion. And the last is short answer questions. Lastly, here are some important tips which everyone should keep in mind while solving the listening module. Write all your answers as you listen. Check that you write make sense in the context. Pay attention to any examples. Keep to the word limit. Try to answer all the questions. Check your spelling, grammar, and punctuations. Listen carefully to the introduction. Analyze the type of word needed in the gap. And lastly, double check for singular and plural.